Okay. Let me check my audio. Sure. Stream Deck. Game audio, that's fine. Browser. Do I want browser's audio? No. Not for the time being. This is gonna be weird. I don't know if it's gonna be good weird either. Okay. I'm putting together notifications, apologies. That can go away. This can go back to chat. Oh. Oh shit. It's there's a storm. The things I think are gonna get a little dicey. Enter. Go. That should be all that. And now, what else needs to happen here? That's not going to be useful. We'll just hope I catch it in the moment. Okay. If you were expecting competency, you're not going to get any. Because I don't know how to make video games. Spoiler. Here's what I do know. I have been a professional software designer, software engineer for over 2 years now. So I know how software is made. Now I understand that this is not traditionally software development. I have, however, made a bad, very bad game in Unity. So not the engine I'm using currently. When would it have been? Probably 9 years ago now? Almost a decade ago? I think I was like 15. Is that real? Can I do math? No, I'm way off. Okay, I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a really long time. And the game was awful. If I can ever get like a... It's on a USB drive somewhere. I think it might be at my mom's house. If it is, maybe I'll find it one day. If not, I don't know. I don't like plugging random USB sticks into things. And I never made a backup. We had to do it for school in high school. And the teacher did not save it. The only reason he gave me an A is because I was the only one actually working on the code. Everyone else was just doing assets. But now it's my turn to do assets. So I don't know if... Okay. I don't know if there's a way to do assets in Unreal. I don't actually know any of this. Like, I've not used this program to design games. Or any, it's just, I've looked through the menus a few times. So, what I'm gonna do. Oh, the music turned off. Very professional. What I'm gonna do is on the side, I'm going to watch YouTube tutorials to figure this out. Oh, also, hang on, let me show you. It's not like I've done no work on this, or that I'm running into this without a plan. I think like a month ago, I put together a design for this software. So it is designed. Boop, boop, boop. Ring toss. Let me see if I can show this window and without it playing any like identifying information. It shouldn't. No. Oh, right. Okay, this should be it. Yeah, here we go. Display capture. So, this is Jira. If you've never used it, it's a software management tool. You can see things that are done, like mocking up the user interfaces, designing some stuff, learning some of the UI, although I've kind of forgotten a lot of that. And then what I'm currently have in progress is this. I forgot to move it. Is making the UI. I don't actually know if I'll need to adjust the physics, but we could figure that out. If I go into the backlog here, there's a ton more to do. Like figuring out what assets I need, how to rig characters, version control, scenes, maps, how does this stuff work? And then, you know, a lot of actual features to implement. I've also got, if it loads, design documentation. So look, we've got use cases and requirements. Fantastic. Okay. Anyway, that's a lot of not useful to you. More so just for me and my understanding of things. So this is literally going to be me mocking up or just watching a YouTube video on the side that you can't see or hear, because I don't want to just display other people's stuff while I sit here and I like watch videos on how to do stuff. I'm starting with the UIs. So the homepage specifically, I have a vision for. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do that, and there's a good chance that I will just leave this program immediately to go into whatever 3D modeling software I have to use. I am much more familiar with sorry, something came up that freaked me out. Okay. Oh, I'll shut them out, I suppose. I'm watching a video from Unreal University called How to Create a Main Menu Unreal Engine 5 Tutorial. Okay, be in a template. Okay. New folder. UI. Oh, what the fuck is he doing? Hang on. Okay. In here, user interface, widget blueprint. Let me move I have my phone propped up on my monitor, so that I can keep an eye on everything. Oh, they've got AI stuff integrated? That's really cool. Materials levels. I'm just taking a look at the menus now, so I can kind of pick out what features might be useful to me later on. Like I see physics, right? So it seems like this is the asset menu. Okay, so add Quixel content. I don't know what that is. Mega scans. Yeah, that's out of my. Okay. Here's what I see here too. A blueprint. So this is like the visual coding language for Unreal. I think it also supports C#, which I've used a little bit. Well, actually, the time I used it was on that previous game where I translated C# into JavaScript, back when Unity supported JavaScript. And before everyone started moving to weird stuff like Kotlin and, well, literally anything else. JavaScript got bloated very fast. Quickly became difficult to use. Although I do still like it for certain aspects. So you can make a level. Collection of actors. I like that there's like a little tooltip next to it that actually explains it at a level where a newbie could figure it out. Like, it's not telling you like, hey, this is a level. It's telling you what a level is. I really appreciate that. So this is just a collection of volumes, meshes, so stuff, basically, like visual content. As well as lights. Right. Multiple levels can be unloaded and loaded into the world. So, okay, so that's useful to know. So the world is outside of levels. So it's like levels are a box within a box. Got materials. Okay, so you can dynamically control materials then. It's not like the models that you have in the game are solid and they can't be changed. They're not immutable. Creating new materials directly increases shader compile times. Oh, okay. What is a Niagara system? I'm guessing this is simulating physics for particles. Because Niagara is the waterfall is the reason I think that. To create various effects. Okay, interesting. So this is calculated runtime, so you don't have to pre-bake this Niagara system then? Interesting. Animation. Ooh. There's a bunch of stuff here that I don't understand. I think I'll figure that out more later. Behavior trees. Okay. Audio, that's simple. We understand audio. Blueprint function library, right? Interface. What is the difference between a class and a structure? I guess I'll figure it out later. Cinematics. Editor utilities. Oh, I don't know how this is used either. Foliage, that makes sense. That's just grass. Gameplay. What is a lightweight instance? I don't know what that means. Input. Okay. Wow, there's so much here. You could probably use this software every day for years and not be able to figure out everything it can do. Miscellaneous. Interesting. Data table. Sorted spreadsheet table? That's awesome. I guess this is how you could do like leaderboards and stuff, right? Touch interface. Oh, for mobile gaming. That's cool. Paper 2D. Probably not going to need that, right? Oh wait, can you see this? Hang on. Oh, wait, you can't see any of this shit. Okay, hang on. Pause for a second. I've just been reading words. Notifications, are they off? Cool. Okay, I can show my main screen now. LG. Okay, now don't show anything personally identifying, please. I gotta be careful about what I do now. Okay, so now you should be able to see it. There, I've been reading this whole menu for like 10 minutes. Textures, that's self-explanatory. Tool presets, don't know what that is. Anyway, and then in user interface, so we can show text, we can... I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is either. Anyway, I was told to take the widget blueprint. By the funny man over here. Unreal University is the funny man. Oh shit. Okay. Main menu. Oh, can't have a space. Is the standard for this snake case or camel? Going snake. Or camel. I'm losing my mind. It has been a very long day. Bum 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 bum. Okay, let me double click this. Okay, you can see that. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, listening to the music and this person talk is tough because their mix is so low. Hey, this is the lesson for everyone. Here's what you want to do. This is how you mix audio. And I know it's not always consistent or perfect, but you take this and you dime it, right, all the way to 100. And then when you mix your stuff in Premiere, you crank the audio on Premiere until it's difficult to listen to at 100 and easy to listen to at 70, and then it's mixed correctly. There you go. It's the correct loudness, the correct volume, right? The correct level for people to reasonably hear it and adjust it to whatever they need to for any situation. So if I have music playing, I can still hear you. Because otherwise, if your voice is too quiet when you're talking, the mids and whatever music there is, because they write mids into music because it's what our ears listen to, drowns you out. Right? Oh. What the hell was he doing? Okay, up here, canvas. And then just drag it in. Oh, hell yeah. I don't know what that did for me. Vertical box. Is this like I'm trying to come up with a way to make this like web development because that's what I'm familiar with. Anchor it to the middle of the screen. But like visual doing this stuff. I'm so used to CSS that this is really tough. Okay. Oh, there's like a okay, this is a hierarchy. That's good. Okay, so what he's doing is he's adding buttons. I don't know if this is going to be what I need. Actually, how many buttons do I need? Let me look over here. Requirements. Main menu. Play, achievement, settings, and quit. Righto. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, there's padding, and so I can add padding. Can I add padding to all of them? Can I select all of them and do padding, and then we pad the bottom because, I mean, listen, I'm not here to give you a course in front-end UI, so, I mean, you can look that stuff up. 10, is 10 good enough? No. Let's go with like 50. Cool. And now does these fit in the box? They're locked to the top of the box. Can I center align horizontally and vertical alignment align to the center? Hey, that's not right. Its parent is the vertical box, correct? Shouldn't it be center and center? Fill horizontally. No, the width should be set by me. I could fill it vertically. Is that appropriate? Nope. Top align. Bottom align. Hmm. Oh, because I'm imagining this incorrectly. I see. So these need to right. Okay, these fill the horizontal box. Vertical fill is fine. Because I can shorten this up. And it doesn't matter. It's going to calculate the center of this. So then instead of trying to center the buttons within the vertical box, I center the vertical box within the canvas. And this should do it, right? Okay, maybe we'll explain more. Hmm. Okay, so now he's adding text. Ooh, inputs and stuff. That's cool. Not what I need. What is an audio text box? What do you, how do you, okay, I don't know what that is. It's probably some really niche feature someone asked for one time. Okay. And they all need text. And so this one is, how do I change the value? Is it up here? Wait, no, this one is play. Is variable. So this isn't actually how you do this, by the way. I'm gonna change this eventually. You would never manually set your text in these boxes. These all get set in a strings file, which is, you know, well, it can be in any format you want. Typically it's in like, typically it's in XML, or it's in a CSV format, or it's in JSON. Anything that is like a data format, right? You'd put it in that. And then that would allow you to localize the entire game very easily. You just translate one for one all of this. Obviously, you need context, right? But it's much easier to change a text file than it is to rewrite the game in a different language. A different spoken language, not programming language. Programming language is just, you know, it's whatever you want. Actually, can I say is variable? How does this work? I don't know. It feels like there should be a way to just tie this to a string. Oh, it's in content. Okay. Play. Oh, close. Hey, there we go. What is bind? I don't know what bind is here. Localize. Assign this text a key and allow it to be gathered for localization. Culture invariant, gathered for, oh, hang on. Oh, okay, how do I do this? How do I do, this is gonna be a thing I look up. On text in Unreal 5. Oh. Okay, wait, hang on. Maybe I can figure it out from the menu. String table, none. How do I create a string table? UE5. There we go. Content browser, add miscellaneous string table. Okay. Miscellaneous. String table. Menus. So now, oh, see, look, CSVs. I was just talking about that. So this is going to be play. And then the source string is play. I don't... Okay, hang on. Sure, save this. And now in here, under content, menus, play. There we go. I actually need to rename menus to en. Lowercase en is fine. To show that it's in, you know, it's in English. And then if I go back to main menu here, menus. Okay, I need to rename the file then. So now this is English, and then if I wanted to have the same thing, just in a different language, I would create a new string table with menus, like, what is, it's SP or SA for, no, SP for Spanish, if I've got that correct. And then you would just switch the table. I don't know if there's a way to globally change the table. No clue, frankly. But now if I go back here, menus en, awesome. Sure, there's all sorts of other stuff I could do. But for now, that's fine. So what text do I need? Play. Achievements. Am I spelling it right? No. Okay, there we go. And then all of these text blocks I can change by doing this. Okay. He boosted his font size, so let me do that. Because I agree that that should happen. I wish I could give them style classes. I don't know if you can. Maybe you can. Like, could I define a font for this? Font material? Well, I'm gonna look at that. That looks cool. Okay, 50's fine. Let me see. Can I make it cobblestone? It's very difficult to... No, it just doesn't exist. I don't think it liked that. Can I make it no material? Or just this? Or how okay. Clear. Thank you. I don't know if there's a way to properly do that. But like if I can make it glass, that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Oh no, I want to make the buttons glass textured. This is fun. I'm having actually a really good time. Let me move this vertical box just around. Can I center the box? Did I not figure out how to center this box? Advanced. What's accessibility? Is volatile. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Okay. It's fine. Okay, so he saved this and closed it. I'm gonna close this as well. And then he makes a new level, which I can do in the content drawer. So I go to content, and I want to make a new folder called levels. And in here, I will create a level. Add. I just got hit with an ad. It was very loud. Okay. I'm gonna call this level not New World. Please no, I hate that. There's all sorts of stuff I should be doing that I'm not. Like, I can clearly see when I go into the UI, like if I click the button, these all need to have a proper name so I can edit them later dynamically. What's this graph? What do you do? Oh, this is how you hook up the buttons. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna put that in the filing cabinet I keep in my brain. You know, in Sherlock Holmes, there's a scene where, and I only ever read this on the SAT, so there's a scene in Sherlock Holmes where Watson and Holmes are doing a mystery, and they're outside, and Watson is talking to Holmes, and he's like, "Hey man, this is just as sure as the Earth going around the sun." And Holmes is confused. He's like, "Why does the Earth clearly doesn't go around the sun? That's dumb. Why would the Earth go around the sun?" And Watson's taken aback, as if this crazy intelligent man does not know about the sun going around the Earth, or the other way around, right? Holmes clearly has no sense of the natural order of the cosmos. And Watson clearly confused, because Holmes is smart, and smart people know that whatever. And so Holmes talks about, like, your mind is an attic, and if you keep too much stuff in the attic, you're never going to be able to ever find anything. And I resonate with that a lot. Because there's so much stuff in my brain. My attic is cluttered. It's like someone took an entire, corporate office full of file drawers, filing cabinets, and just dumped them out on the floor. There's paper everywhere. It's a tinderbox up there. And I just sit there all day, like greasy and sweaty and sad, just sifting through papers, just like pushing them aside, groveling, trying to find what I'm looking for. I don't know how to fix this. Oh, platforms. What does this do? Oh. I guess you can see my device name. So if you're ever on my private network, you now know what my computer's called. which I will be changing. Because, I mean, I don't know how to hide that. Okay, hang on. So, main menu, level. Did he just double click it to load it? And then he hit play. I am nothing. How does this work? Okay. Wait. Okay, so we need a menu game mode. Blueprint base. Wait, I don't know what's going on. I've lost the... Oh, I having a real moment. Game mode base, there we go. We call it main menu mode. Window. World settings. I think this is, I'm achieving basically the same thing. So his was set to third person game mode and mine's set to like no, it just set to blank basically. So if I want a game mode, I have to define it on my own. Which I've done. I've set it to the main menu mode. Hooray. I don't know what this does for me. Hmm. Whoa, hang on. Okay. This is another thing I'm confused about. I'm full screening this off to the side. Okay. So I want to know more about event begin play. My guess is that, oh, so just whenever this actor starts, it does this. And the actor for this is the main menu level. So when the level starts, this runs. Okay. It runs. And it does... create, he said, widget? Is that a thing? I don't know what this is. Oh, wait, in here. Create widget. Class. Main menu. Oh. Here we are. Okay. Add to viewport. Add to viewport. And then all of this can go. Oh, I wish I could. Can I? My hero. I love that I can. This tickles my brain in the best way possible. Wait. Okay. Compile. Oh, I did it. Looking for victory music. Okay, I did it. I'm very proud of myself. Okay, that song makes me hate myself. Yeah. Okay, now, this is where me and the funny man on the YouTubes is going to disagree, or not disagree, where we diverge. Because I have stuff I need to do to make this how I envisioned it, and how I actually have it written up. The idea is that there's some sort of carnival scene happening behind here. I have it as a tent, like a carnival tent, and there will probably be like games or something in there. I don't know if that's real. Okay, I'm gonna be fully real with everyone. I don't know if that's how things are gonna work out. But what I do know for sure is that I want there to be glass bottles as these buttons, and when you click them, they break. And then it loads the new screen. So it just like shatters it, and then the pieces fall down, and then the new screen is loaded. That cool? I think that's cool. Which means I need a few things. The first thing I need is oh man, I have no idea what order to do this in. I think it needs a background first, which means I should probably actually work on getting the game functioning to start. Just literally having anything in the background so that I can model the buttons correctly. Also, what does my requirement say? Game's version number must appear in the main menu in the bottom left. I can do that right now. Okay, stop this. Now I can just edit the UI, right? By going to this main menu. This is so cool. I still don't know how to center this correctly. I think I just lined it up with the thing there. Man, I like learning new software so much. And you know what's funny is I was very stressed out about how I was going to pull this off, but it's kind of just like no one else is here and I'm working on my own. That's partly because no one's in chat. Well, I don't know, I can actually check. Are people here? No. Actually, I can't tell. So on Twitch, if you're in your stream manager, if there is no one in chat, it counts as a view, and if there's one person in chat, it doesn't. So there's either 0 or 1 person watching on Twitch. I can't tell. But I also don't care. I'm here for me. Oh, there's so many buttons here that I just don't know what they do. And I'd love to know more. This is so cool. I'm having such a good time. It's at the bottom left, right? My requirements did? On the bottom left. And now this does not need a string. I mean, actually, hell, I'll give it a string. It's fine. Where are my strings at? They're in... Oh. They're in here. Now, ideally, this would be controlled through whatever version control wow, the sky got very dark. whatever version control metric I'm using, but for now, I will just do this. The version number is, so it should be major minor patch, right? So we're on major version 0, minor version 01, and patch 0. Okay. So what this means is, this is the full, so like, this is the full version. So on release, it's version 1, and then every full rewrite, you move this number by 1. Anytime you release new features, they go in here. So until this releases, it's going to be 0. But if I'm running like alpha beta testing, these numbers will increase. So this would never increase until I say like, this is a point where I can stop and the game functions how I intend it to. And then anything extra bumps this number up. Down here is patches. Not like the Dark Souls character, but like software patches. And this number changes whenever I have to fix something. So something's broken and I fix it. Or honestly, really, it's up for debate, but most companies use this to release features quietly or small features. And the way it works is that odd minor numbers are unstable releases. So if you've ever used like Linux, like say Fedora, odd numbers are unstable. So they'll have features that are just released that people need to test out. And then you'll have even numbers, which are full releases. So if you were like deploying something to production, it would be a even release. I will probably I'm probably not going to fully test this, so it's fine. I don't care. It also doesn't matter. Okay, now this text block gets the menus en version. Cool, and I want to just make sure it's left justified. Yeah, there we go. So like if I had right justified it, it could go off the edge of the screen. And I think that's good. Oh, actually it needs, there we go. Hey, there we go. Oh, we also need a title. I didn't put a title for the game. That's never been in my design, by the way. Is the title of the game. I'm adding it in post hoc, which should be okay. Vertical box, we're gonna move this down, like there. And then I'm gonna add text up here that is the title. And it's gonna be Largo. It's gonna be real big, like 100. Oh yeah. The text block should probably be as big as that, at least. And then this needs to be the name of the game, which is... Oh, yeah, strings. There we go. Game name. Which is Ring Toss. Okay. Cool, and this one needs to be center justified. Okay, because it is a centered item. Oh wait, hang on. Oh wait, what does this do? Control to update widget position. Is that real? I don't know how this works. Oh, hang on. Whoa. What am I doing? Okay, I guess that's fine. I genuinely have no clue what this is doing. Um, okay, so the anchor is set to the center. Oh, does that mean I can center it? Like aligning it to the center? So this anchor now is centered in this box, which means that the alignment, the coordinates where it's at, is this center. It's not centered vertically, which is annoying, but I can line that up visually. Actually, it doesn't really need to be. Um, okay, no clue. Can I do something here about it? No. It's good enough. It's not centered, but I'm not gonna cry or anything. And I might cry a little bit. Okay, I want to add some silly stuff. So I need to get music for this game that needs to play. It's in my requirements. Let me share that with you. Ba-ba-bum. So if we switch over to this display, hey, look at that. Requirement 5, light carnival music. So let's do that. You go back to my LG monitor, and I will take a look at Epidemic Sound. Now, I do pay for Epidemic Sound. If you can't tell, the song currently playing is from Epidemic Sound. Carnival. Ooh, we should have it so that you can hear this. Let me turn the browser back up. And I will now play. This is Viva la Carnival. Okay, there's a few things about this, which is that you can't hear that at all. There we go. It's so loud for me. Okay, that is just general samba music. Not quite carnival music. This is carnival. It says Trap Epic Dreamy. Ring toss. Oh, what's up, Poyo? Yeah, we're making a game. I'll talk a bit more in a second. I gotta find some music though. Maybe you can help me pick. This is not main menu music for a carnival game. Okay. Don't like that one. So when I said carnival, What did Epidemic Sound think I was talking about? Maybe I type in different. Maybe I say like fair. Like fair music. Okay, this is not gonna be it, but I'm gonna. No, this is like epic D&D music. It's even too quiet for you. Oh. Hey. Okay, I think I like this. It's definitely going in the running. I'm downloading it anyway, that's hilarious. I like that music. One here called Spring Fair. I think this one's a little too intense for a lighthearted ring toss game. This is Fair Fight. Okay, this is a bar fight in the 90s, right? Not even, this is like a fight at the club, not really at a bar. Okay. Nope. This might be good background music for the game itself. Nope. Okay, so if there's one song on all of Epidemic Sound that is fair music, and so that is what I'll use. Okay, let me explain exactly what's going on here. So, I have set out to make video games. It's what I originally thought I was going to do before I started playing them. So I have 3 games in mind that I'd like to make, but I don't know Unreal, or I don't know a lot of it. So in order to make those 3 games, I need to learn how to make video games, and 2, how to use various, engines and such. Unreal is probably going to be the main one, because it fits criteria that I'm looking for. So all of the games that I want to make are 3D. None of them are like platformers or anything like that. And Unreal is just the best engine for it. And they're all going to be very stylized. So I don't want anything too generic, right? Well, when I say generic, I don't want anything that's too samey. So, like if you're in like Source, right? Everything in Source looks like it's in Source. Source is the Valve's engine. And then obviously, outside of that, a lot of engines are very specific. So you think about the engine that, I forget what it's called, that Bethesda used for its games, which are all forks of a common engine, but, they build out a new one for every game they make. All fits in the kind of Bethesda, Skyrim and Fallout and Starfield all have the same vibe, and that's because they're all forks of the same engine. Unreal gives you a lot of flexibility, so that's what I want. I want to be able to make whatever game I feel like making. The only thing that the only cost is that things will be inefficient to make. because any software that does a lot of stuff does everything kind of poorly. That said, the rendering engine and physics engine in Unreal is Unreal. It is the gold standard for what this type of software can be, and it is free. So, I mean, it's hard to beat that deal. It really is. I will say it is very surprising that a company would just decide, hey, the software is free. But it's cool. I mean, I appreciate it. Compile everything. Oh, and I can even show you that I've got the game running. Look, that's not right. Why is that like that? What's going on? This is not the same position. Okay, this is a new aspect that I've not seen before. Oh. Oh, that's not changed. Hang on. What is the option for that here? It is anchors. Do I have an anchors option? Yeah. Okay, now center it. Oh wait. Hang on, does this not matter in the slightest where this goes? Where does this go? I guess I'll see. Let's compile. Now this is centered. This is down here. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. What I think is happening is that when you put stuff on this this blueprint here, if you just put it anywhere, like say I put this all the way over here, and the anchor for it is in a random ass spot. Or actually, the anchor for this is centered, right? So it's down here. If you just put it somewhere and you don't have it anchored anywhere, it will go wherever you put it. But if you anchor it somewhere, it should send it to the center or to wherever, right? So, hang on. I'm testing a theory so that I know how the program works. I was wrong. Okay, I guess it just kind of puts it wherever. What is the anchor doing? I have no clue. I will learn that someday. Okay, now what do I need to do? I want to add music to the main menu level in here. How do I do that? Okay, actually, I have an idea for how this could work. Is it? Nope, not that. Main menu level. Game module is main menu module. Which is, oh, hang on. It's in here. So this game mode. Which I forgot to save. Tick enabled. Okay, I've got to look at my reference video. I am watching a video from Unreal University. It is how to create a main menu. You should not be able to hear it or see it. Apologies. I don't just want to steal someone's content, so... Okay, in here, is it this one? Open full blueprint editor. Oh, here we go. But that's not what I need. Wait, what's this? I have no idea. That'll be in here. Open level blueprint. Here we go. I figured it out. So on begin play, I need to do a few things. One is that. The other is audio. Effects, recording, voice. Start audio bus. Oh. That's analysis. Synth, add audio capture, add audio component. Is this what I need? Hang on, let me see. How to play audio in Unreal Engine 5. Okay, they want it in a WAV file format. Do I have that? I think it downloads as MP3. I don't think I can download it as a WAV, so that's okay. I don't care. I need to get this into my game. Let's add a new folder. Well, not under UI. Nope. Wait. Under content. New folder. And it's going to be music. Or let's just call it sound. And then I will have music be under the sound folder. In music, I need to grab some stuff, but I want to hide this screen because I don't just want to show my file system. Where is the window? There we go. Okay, so you're seeing something old, because I've not updated it. But now I can open this without it showing anything. This has got to go to music. From music, I can drag and drop this into Did it work? It did work! Hooray! Alright, here we go. Day at the fair. Okay, that's importing sounds. Okay. Sound cues. Not ready. I don't think that's good. Oh wait, what the hell did you do? Look, create queue is not a thing I have. Okay, so this is an MP3. I need to be a WAV file. So, remove this. I need to hop into Audacity. Which means I'm once again going to hide my screen. Audacity. And I'm going to very quickly turn this into a WAV file. File, import, audio from music. At the fair. File, export as WAV. Okay, I think that worked. No. Now under music, I can drag and drop my WAV file in. Day at the fair. WAV. Okay. Now, oh, whoops. Oh, you can't hear that because I don't have it. Application audio is capturing Elden Ring, which is not open. Capture the Unreal Editor, please. Okay, we're to listen to this. We'll have some tea. Did you say good music? I don't know. This is not good music. This is obnoxious. Is this what you listen to? That's not what I listen to. It's thematic. I don't think you could call it good. Okay, let me continue on with this video I'm watching. Interesting. None of that is anything I need. So this video is from who did this video? Vertus Learning Hub. Video called How to Add Sounds to Your Scene in Unreal 5. They're going through a whole thing where they basically create a new visual scripting class for a new blueprint for this, and you can import that allows them to do all sorts of effects. But I don't need it. I can basically get away with just dragging this in. I don't actually know where this needs to go. Probably just here, right? And then it'll just play. Can I adjust the volume on it at all? Maybe that's what... No, level. Oh wait, no. I'm thinking of something else. Edit? Oh, in here. Oh, this is the world settings. Maybe it's too loud? Okay, let's see. So now when I click play, it should open the menu and it should play the song. I feel like I've won. That was fantastic. That worked first try. Okay. Now, what do I need to do now? Now it needs like a background. So I have a background. It is... I mean, I guess I could just import it, but it's gotta change. I'm trying to decide, by the way, if this is the part of the lesson where I learn Blender. Because I also don't know any 3D modeling software outside of CAD. I guess I could do it in CAD. AutoCAD, not just computer-aided design. Well, what's next on my requirements list? Okay, I should learn Blender next. So I need to check how much system space I have available so I can download it. 128 gigs should be more than enough for Blender. Download. Yeah, you gotta go through and accept all these licenses now. Disk usage. Okay, that's fine. So it's been well over a decade since I've used Blender. When I used it the last time I used Blender, it sucked so bad, which is why I learned AutoCAD, because it was much easier. Rumor is Blender has become the gold standard much the same way that Unreal has. So I'm going to learn it. It's download. This is going to take a while. Tried using Blender, don't know how to use it. Learned how to make the square long. I understand what you mean, but none of the words that you said. Why is this... Okay, you can't see this, but it just stuck on the Blender setup page. Please wait while the setup wizard installs Blender. Yeah, I would be happy too, learning Blender. I'd like to actually learn it. And be able to 3D model stuff. Because it's definitely a weak spot I have. Like, I can make functional stuff, but making things look good is, out of my wheelhouse. Okay, the Blender setup wizard has failed, so I need to restart it. Oh wait, no, it was just waiting on me approving it. I see. Pull that up in the background. There we go. I have been watching a lot of the Corridor Digital crew videos. If you've not seen them, they're very good. And they do a lot of 3D rendering stuff, and I really want to learn it. It is very cool what they're able to achieve, and I want to do that. I would say a good 90% of everything I know is because I saw someone else do it, and I thought to myself, I want to do that. And so then I did that. Why is OBS taking up 60% of my GPU? I have Unreal Engine loaded. Why is... What the hell? Oh. Oh, look, you can see you. Oh, that's gonna go off into infinity, isn't it? Which display captures that? Oh, there it is. Boop. Okay. Can it stop rendering that stuff now? For reference, I have a 3090. I have no clue why this is going to take up 60% of a 3090. What the fuck was I doing? Oh, I was opening Blender. So here's what I want to learn how to do. I'm probably not going to model everything. I might use asset packs because my time is just better spent not modeling every single thing in the game. But what I do want to model is the bottles for the home screen because, again, I want to learn Blender. If I end up just being good at this, maybe I model the whole game. But this is a super complex program that you can't see because I'm scoping it out for personally identifying information. Tutorials. We don't need tutorials, right? We just send. Sculpting. This can do sculpting now? Okay. New file. General. Okay, this program has gotten so much nicer since the last time I used it. It looked really bad in middle school. Is it LG? There we go. So this is Blender. Now you were saying that you made the cube or the square long. Okay, it's rotation. This is orientation. So I bet I could probably do that real quick. Move, scale. I've done it. I've achieved. Can I scale it up? Whoa, wait. Well, that's weird. Okay, I don't know what that did to me, but... Okay, that's just longifying it. So when I hit shift, it expanded it in... It expanded it in one direction and contracts it in the other, as if it's clay. So I think this is keeping a consistent volume, if I had to guess. But I can't tell. Almost certainly it's not a consistent volume. It would have to shrink and grow much, much faster than that. Okay, now I need to make a bottle. So what is a bottle really? Really, a bottle is a cylinder. Okay, I will solve this. How to make a cylinder in Blender. Add cylinder. There's a function for it, which means it's in here somewhere. Gravity. Simulation. Whoa. This can do anything I want it to. Collection. New. Add a new collection? No. Can I delete this cube? Goodbye. Can I mirror, snap, parent? Nope. Modeling. Oh, okay. So this, I want the modeling thing. So I want to add mesh, cylinder. Okay, done this. And now I want to scale it. We want to make it longer. Now, can I select the edges like I can in CAD? No. No, I cannot. Drag and transform. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Annotate. Measure, add cube. Can I increase the amount of faces on this? Wait, maybe someone just has a tutorial on how to make a bottle in Blender. And then this will be my tutorial for how to, that's a water bottle. I want to make it like a beer bottle. Yeah, they're doing a wine bottle, but that's fine. Okay, shortcut cheat sheet. Not what I need. Okay, he's in the layout tool, so maybe I'm supposed to be in here. And he's going under scene, under units, and he's changed it from length in meters to millimeters, which I suppose makes more sense. Wait. What is he doing? Oh. So he's got a bunch of tools over here. Okay, how does this work? Okay. Okay, I could use a reference image, like is being suggested in the video, or I could just eyeball it. Okay, he's doing all sorts of stuff. Okay, this person, I don't think this is designed for beginners, but I have no clue what they're doing. Hmm. So they did something interesting that I think is a good idea. You know what? I don't know if it's a good idea, so I'm just gonna figure it out. We've got this cylinder here. World collection object? Is that what I need? This is transform information. Physics, constraints. Okay, so that's the tool I'm using currently. Oh, hang on. The modeling tool has a different... Okay, I think this is what I was hoping for. Because now I can select a bunch of points, and I think I can do stuff with them. Hell yeah, I can. Okay, spin smooth. Shoot freely or along axis. Bevel. Right. Brilliant. So if I select all of these, and then I bevel them, okay. Doing something here. Cut new topology, poly build. I don't know what this does. Shrink, flatten, shear, rip. Can I subdivide? Oh, I cut it in half. Oh, I cut all of it in half. I feel as though I've achieved some sort of victory here. Oh, but it's tough to select every point all at once. I've not got these points. Interesting. Can I put it in a different view mode? Edit. Sculpt. Vertex paint. I think I want it in edit. Mesh. I want to see like X-ray. As if I were some sort of Superman. Viewport shading? Is this what I wanted? Can I select all of it now? Okay. We're back. And now I can subdivide it a few times. And this gives me a bunch of points to work from. Which means, and I don't know if this is actually to do what I expect it to. Okay, it did not. Oh, interesting. Okay. Can I select a face? But what does smooth do? If I decide that I want to smooth all of these. So that unsmooths it. This smooths it. So is it smoother? I can't tell. I think it did. Anyway, now I've got all these extra points up here. And now I need to create the neck of the bottle. How is this person doing it? What are they doing? Sorry, I'm watching a video off to the side to figure this out. Okay. I think I'm going to follow the tutorial a bit more closely. This was, I mean, it's good that I learned some of this stuff, but ultimately not what I needed. Delete everything. If I go to layout, I can just delete the whole thing. Okay. What I need is an image of a bottle. What sort of bottle? A beer bottle, which doesn't come up when you type. Oh, there it is. Why can't I just paste it? That's cruel. It's downloading a WebP, which is not what I wanted. It's also not a full side view, so you know what? It's going to be a Corona bottle, and I'm going to have to live with that. Oh, no, this is a WebP as well. I really don't like Corona. Maybe this image won't be a WebP. That's a JPEG. Right. What's in the pictures folder? Is this anything important that I need to hide? No. Import. Okay. Wait. he went Shift A. I see. Image, reference. Pictures, it is. Does beer expire? Thank you to the person who made this image. Alt R resets the rotation. Wait, what? Oh. R, X. Where is this being controlled at? He has selected item up here, but I'm not allowed to click that. I can line it up perfectly with my mouse, so I'm gonna do that. That's close enough. And then I want to translate that up here. Can I orient myself to Y? There we go. Hey, Mr. Cat, can you cut that out? Mr. Cat, would you like to say hello? I know you don't like talking to the microphone. You like yelling at me from afar. Say hello. No? Still no. One day you're going to speak. One day you're going to talk and everyone's going to hear you. Okay, go. What was I doing? Oh, I rotated the camera. Can I use my hand to drag around without rotating? How did I do this before? I have no clue. Oh, come on. Oh, is there a shortcut for this? Is it like V? I'm not pressing that. Okay, cool. Okay, so Shift A to import stuff. And he imports a circle. Did that, is it here? Is this a circle? Are you a circle? So one, I don't know what the shortcuts are for anything. This is definitely a circle. Can I translate it anywhere? Move it up here maybe? There we go. And I've got to scale it. Nope, I've made it an oval. Don't like that. That scales it in both directions nicely. Okay. Line me up again. And then I can kind of just visually do the thing here. It is centered. It is good enough. Okay, he's entered edit mode, which is, I think, modeling for me. Although I can't quite tell. It's... Nope, he's still in layout. Layout, but I don't know how to enter edit mode. Blender. Edit mode. Pressing tab will toggle edit mode for objects that support it. So tab. Tab. Oh. So now I can actually like stuff out. This is good. Wait, why can I rotate from... Oh, scale. It's probably good enough. Okay, so now here we press E. Oh. Okay, so now I've got this, but he's doing a whole thing where no, hang on. Oh, S to scale. Okay. Ah, too big, too big, too big, too big. Okay, now I can pause this and I can think about what's going on. So he's using S to scale this out. Hi, buddy. I use E and Z, and that moves it vertically like this. And then I use S. Oh, this is cool. E, Z, here, S to there. Then I can just use E and Z to take it straight up to the top. Round. So this is way, way easier than trying to figure out how to model it like I was earlier. And my cat wants to know, hey, come here. If you're gonna talk, you gotta talk on the microphone. I don't make the rules. Actually, it's my house, I do that. I do make the rules. Are you missing something? Do you need food? You got food. You got water. You got plenty of places to sleep, stuff to play with. I don't know what he's after. Maybe there's a bug in the apartment somewhere. I'm getting a lot of fulfillment out of learning Blender. E, Z, S. EZ. S. EZ. S. Oh, that's why he's upset. There's a thunderstorm rolling in. And if there's one thing he hates, it's the sky yelling at him. Oh, whoops. Okay, here. Do this. This will go up to about here. Bring it in. This goes out. To about there. Oh, whoops. Up to here. In. And then just say up to about there, and it will. There's actually threading on this, but I don't know how to do that. Okay. Now I want to see where he talks about modeling the top of the bottle. There just won't be threading. You probably won't see it. E and S to extrude inwards. E. Oh. Oh. Okay. E, S. Oh shit. I need to be able to... Okay, stop. But also undo that. I need to be able to see it. E and S. Wait, what? I can't rotate the camera while I'm doing this, so I gotta undo that now. So E will do this, and S will... Oh, it locks it in a different plane. Sure, it's fine. Okay. Hide the reference. Tab out of edit mode. Oh, this is really cool. I'm going to save this. This will be bottle. Okay, wait. What is he doing here? Okay, so he presses Alt and then clicks this loop, and I don't know what that means, so... Oh, I'm not in edit mode anymore. Tab, Alt, click this loop. Okay, so E for extrude. E for extrude. and S to bring it in. Oh, whoops, I clicked a button. Damn it. Oh wait, hang on. Here. Do this thing, and then I can do E and Z to extrude it up. Actually, I'm going to undo that. Because I don't want it to be extruded up, I want it to be extruded in a little bit. That's like the bottom edge of the glass. And then we will do E and Z to extrude it up a slight bit here. And I will E and S inwards to close. Well, how actually do I close it? Okay, so now I need to press M. Oh, whoops. In here. M at center. I did it. I did it. Okay, what did he do here for smoothing? Right click, fade smooth. Whoa! I did it! Oh, it made... Okay, I guess it's not quite what I was going for, but it's fine. It's just gonna have like an in... It literally does not matter in the slightest. You know what? It's gonna bug me, actually. E, S. Just gotta get it close. And then I click M at center. Okay, now that should be flat. Right on. Go back here, click tab, fade smooth. Okay. Wait, what is he doing now? Oh, he just did a lower res model when he did it. This is as good as I need it. So he's doing a lot of like final shaping on making sure everything is squared away. Add a modifier to solidify. Hang on, how did he do that? He's in this menu, add modifier. Generate? Physics. Add a modifier. He gets a much bigger menu. Solidify. Okay, so his thickness is -4 millimeters. Is that really it? Oh, because we want it to be inside. Okay. Right, we don't want it to be chunky. We want it to be interior. What was his? How did he? Alt Z. Alt Z for the X-ray mode. In my experience, beer bottles are just a bit thicker than that. I'm gonna say 6 mil. Yeah, that's fine. That's genuinely really cool. I feel very accomplished today. Oh, let me save. Okay, he's editing a bunch of stuff. Editing. I'm gonna lose my mind. Modeling the label. Okay, so he's not giving it any sort of like materials. And I don't think I need to either. I think if I export this now as an OBJ, sure. And now I go back to Unreal. Here's what I want to figure out. In this UI, I want the buttons to be this bottle. How can, okay, let me see if I can do that. I figured there would just be some sort of property I could add that would... I mean, I could make custom listeners for when you click on the object in scene. Okay, let me... Content. New folder. Models. Import from documents. Okay. Force all mesh as type. I don't know. Static? I think it's static. Vertex color import options. Whatever. Built-in none. Collision? Sure. Create physics asset. I don't know. Okay. I mean, that's fine. I can fix all this later. Animations. I don't have any of those. Materials. Can I make it a material? If I don't import, can I just set one? Okay, hang on. Let me see if I can zhuzh this up a little bit in Unreal. So, or in Blender. What do I need? I need shading. Rendering. Out of my element again, which is fine. Can I edit the material here? Make object glass Blender. Oh wait, can I do this in Unreal? It'd be easier in Unreal, right? UE5. Okay, hang on. MS glass material found in the engine contents. Is that a thing? Probably in starter, right? Materials. Oh, there's metal. There's like tech stuff. I don't see anything for glass. Oh, M glass. Hang on, what does it look like if I put it on one of the buttons here? Here, button, style. Okay. Import bottle. I guess just import it. I can't give it Can't give it a material yet. Okay, that's fine. And then I would be in this level here. Throw the bottle in there. And then I will scale it. Why can't I scale it? What's going on? Unless I am scaling it, and I just can't see it because it's too small. Oh, whoops. Maybe I can scale it universally? Oh, I can. Which is fine. It's just got no material. So we gotta add one. None. No, not none. MS glass. Missing required material parameters. Can I make it the floor material? Oh, it's just broken. That's fantastic. Did I play this? Ah! That music is so loud. Oh shit, I lost it. Lit? Oh, but there's no lights. How do I add lights? Place actor. Directional light. Which is cool, but I... Oh, wait. There we go. Hey. Can't see anything. Okay, so now I've got the scene lit correctly. If I hit play, I'm going to be deafened. So I really need to figure out how to change the volume on this thing. Okay, you've got to change... You got to make it a queue. Seems like a lot of work. Why just hide it? Still doing that thing. Blue? What does blue mean? What do you mean by that? As in you want me to make the bottle blue? Okay, so I can't add a material because required missing something, which is not good. Oh, you just said, okay, I don't know why you said blue. Physics, I don't need physics. Wait, this is being overridden anyway. You can't see this. Whoa, what's in here? These kind of look bad. Ugh. I'm losing the thread here on what I was doing, so I need to like readjust. What is this called? A widget blueprint. Can I add? What was that? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna do a few things here. The first is this. Delete it. Under sound, music. I need to create a cue for it. I just need to change the volume. I mean, I could add looping. But I also do need to add output. Delay, Doppler, sound class, switch, wave parameter. Volume multiplier. There we go. 0.25, just for my ears for now. And now it should loop. It should go forever. We save this. When does Q? Maybe I can just figure it out. Okay. Sound. Prime sound cue for playback. Set sound mix. Play dialogue. What type of game will ring toss be? It will be a. So I'm shooting for a game that is bad. It's going to be like a B game. The main gameplay loop will be that you are loaded into a kind of bounded area where you can interact with a desk to play a ring toss, and it'll be controlled where you have a slider on the side, and you basically just move the slider up, and so it's acceleration based, and the character moves through an animation, and when you let go of the slider, it lets go of the ring, and then it'll just be physics simulated on the ring itself. I'm expecting it to be nigh unplayable, given the complications of everything that's going to be happening. But that's also kind of the point. I'm designing it to be awful. And if it's good on accident, then that's kind of bad, because it means I messed up. Okay, I made a menu queue, but this might not be necessary. Let me see if I can do it a different way. Looping. Yes. Oh, volume. There we go. And so now I can just drop this in. It should work. I shouldn't need this anymore. Let me see if that's better to listen to. It's no longer deafening. I can like sit in the menu and not be in pain, which is awesome. Now, I still need to figure out how to add stuff to the menu. That's enough. I think I made this too small. All right, see ya. Where did that object go? I lost the bottle object. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it less awful. Delete. Go back into Blender. Take the object. This one. Just scale it up. I would rather it be bigger than it needs to be than too small to see. File, export. To OBJ. Import this. Hey, that's better. Now what I want to do is I want to give it the glass material. Yeah. Oh, let's go. This is crazy. This might be the fastest I've ever learned the software. I started streaming at 7. It's 10 p.m. I learned how to make a bottle in Blender, and I've made it glass in Unreal. Plus, I've already set up a menu. This is so cool. I'm just gonna sit here and really revel in what I've done, which is a lot. Like, I made a whole custom asset today after never having made anything in Blender. You can't see it, but I'm smiling real big. I mean, this is a serious victory. Like, this is a crazy awesome victory. Wow. You know what? This is a thing to admit, but I feel way better about doing this than about beating Melania in Elden Ring. I feel fucking elated right now. This is so cool. Like, genuinely, this is so cool. Cause this is like an organic shape too. Which is not something I can do in CAD. I can't just sculpt stuff like this. This is so cool. Now in this main menu, I want to add this model. Can I do that? No. Okay, wait, hang on. Okay, he's hooking up all the buttons in this video. I can hook up the quit button. How is he doing that? I wasn't really paying attention. Switch to the bottom. Oh, wait. No, he's seen something different than I am. Oh, it's under events. I don't see an events tab. Interaction advanced? Okay. What's this do? Oh, I can reorder it. Oh, that's badass. It's a little quiet. Guess I'll play something. My cat is very upset that I'm still at my desk and not going to sleep. Don't come here. Come. So I can't see events. Is that anyone else having this? Make sure they're set to is variable. Oh. Badass. Unclicked. Okay, I've got to deal with this. Hang on. My cat decided it'd be funny if he played with like a wrapper. So on click, we need to quit game. Quit. Okay, right on. I wish the snapping on this was better. But this is cool. This is really cool. My cat is freaking out. Hey, come here. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Pets. Don't you die. Bit. I'm finished up. Okay. So the quit game button will quit the game. Let me compile all this stuff. Actually, let me save it and compile. Now, if I go back to the game, I click quit. It quits the game. Hooray. All right, let me follow this tutorial a bit more. Oh, it's an ad. Okay, I can add an image in the UI builder. Can I add a mesh? These are graphs. I don't need that. Wait, why am I in the graph mode? Go back to designer. Miscellaneous, list, input, special effects. Yeah, when I add a mesh, can I do that? Volume slider, not what I need. Image, name slot. Okay, I don't know how to do this. This is really annoying. UE5. How to make buttons (3D). I'm gonna make 3D model buttons functional. Turning the button interface into a widget. So I do need to animate it. Which means (3D looking buttons), 3D menu tutorial, maybe? Okay, this is widgets. What if instead of doing this type of menu, I did it so I could still have widgets for the text, right? But the, oh, man. Okay. Okay. Here's what I'm just gonna play around with everything here. I want to add a light. Base and actor directional light. Should be fine. Not much I would ever need to do to it. Drop the bottle mesh I have in here. Rotate. Can I orient myself to the plane here? I don't know. Oh. Yeah, right on. Okay, there we go. Now it's pretty centered. Well, it's off to one side, but it's good enough. I need to add... Oh, there's no camera actor because it is opening this menu widget, which is being added to the viewport. Okay, let's not do this. So instead, when I load the game, it should load this object. You can kind of see that there's something in there. Although I have no clue why it's mesh changed or its material changed. So like if I look at it in here, it should be just glass. Why it's decided to be multicolored, I have no clue. Yeah, glass. What the fuck? Rendering. Okay, can I add, how do I add a, I need to add a skybox to this level. I bet you that there is just a file that I can drop in here from the starter content. HDRI. Okay, I can't just drop it in, unfortunately. How do I just make this go? Oh. Sphere. And the sphere has to go at Okay. Oh, it's in materials. Wait, no, it's not. And I guess I can just add the ceramic tile to it. Um, Clay beveled. Um, so here's the thing. Adding a skybox did not really help me do anything. I can't see anything. And that's very annoying. It feels like this is one of those things where there's 1,000 ways of doing everything. Um, hmm. With a double-sided material. Interesting. Okay. I wonder if I can edit the material here then. It's not set correctly. Hmm. Oh, light stage. Oh, okay. That should actually be working. I have no clue what's going on. Hmm. This is annoying. See what's in the content here. Late stage. Okay, hang on. Maybe I need this. Maybe... Maybe this is what we're looking for. I just needed something. Just anything. Can I see the log that it's talking about? Okay. This should be working. Okay. So why can't I see anything in here? If I zoom way out, I also can't see anything. Um... Okay, hang on. Can't see skybox. UE5. Go to menus at the top of the screen. I don't see that. Tools. Class viewer. Oh. Okay, that's new. Now I can get rid of this sphere. Now in the sky sphere, I should be able to change the mesh. Or not the mesh, the material. General. Here's this. It kind of just seems orange, which I mean, makes sense. Here we go. Material. Now, I can throw this material on it. Or not. This seems like something that should be working. Okay, See this. Okay, this is all well and good. Yep. I can't change this. This is so annoying. Okay, so this should be working. I just don't know it's not. Okay, it's archived and there's no responses. Thank you. Why are all of everything related to specifically skyboxes so bad? And why are they all videos? Oh geez, this is a whole thing. And I don't know how any of this works. Dye material. Where are you at? Well, I should just be able to change it. Why? This should not be complicated. There's an option. I should be able to select the thing I need. Why? Okay, is there... That's cloud color. If I just run this, what happens? It is very annoying. This is annoying. Why can I not change? The material. I should be able to change the material. Under Assets, Skybox. Change the material. Do the thing. Okay. Hello? Why is... No, I'm not... Okay, maybe if I just right-click delete it? Are you... Why is deleting this... why is this difficult? Oh, I backspace it out. Okay, goodbye. These are materials. What is architecture? Nope. Audio. Nope. Maps. Articles. Props. The material sphere. Not what I need though. Shapes. Nope. And textures. Let me save everything here. And then I will hop into a different level really quick. Just to see how they do it. Okay, so BP light stage. And this has the HDRI attached to it. So maybe that's what I needed. Okay, let me go back to my previous. I'm starting to get very tired. Sphere, but that's not what I need. EP Light Studio. So there's a light studio and a sky sphere. I think I need light studio. This is what? Multiple lights are needing to be the single one used for ward shading. I guess I can just get rid of that. Oh no, there's nothing in the scene. Okay. Now, BP Light Studio. I can use any of these, right? There's a lot of icons. Desert. Okay. Multiple directional lights are competing to be the single one used for forward shading. What are all these objects in my scene? And I can get rid of the directional light. And now there's this light here. Light Studio. Is this what I wanted? Light stage. Oh, did I pick the wrong one? Your reflection capture. Asset platform. Foliage actor? I don't know what any of this shit does. Level. Main menu. This is a light studio, not a light stage. Okay. Show me. Can I search? I'd like to be able to search. Okay, I'm back at the sky sphere. At back of this match, and I can't change this. I want to change it. I want it to be different, and it's just not doing that. So then I go back here and I try and figure out what's meant to be. Minimal default. Save it. And so what's in minimal default? Sky atmosphere. What are you? If I delete this, oh. So how do I get this? Sky light. Okay, that's just a light. And then this is a sky sphere. Which doesn't seem like it does anything. Volumetric clouds. Let's see. Okay, so I think sky atmosphere is the piece that I'm looking for that I'm not finding. How's it going? Not NBXX. Apologies, I'm extremely tired. I'm learning video game development, or I'm trying to teach myself. It has been going well and then poorly. Okay, sky sphere, not correct. I need... Was this guy something? Sky atmosphere. Okay. I don't know why I'm suddenly not getting anything. Hang on, wait, what did, how did they get their sky sphere to work? Okay, wait, why can I change this now? So I can change it here? This is very, very annoying. I think I've realized something. It's not here. Maybe that's something that they have that I don't. Props. Some glass window. Some rock shelf. Oops. Tube. It'll be under score. Why would this not be fun? Okay, what if I use the skybox? Hey, wait. Okay. This is interesting. Now, skybox. Can I change the material to be better? No. Damn it. This is an outer HDR mat. That's not what I need. Daylight cube mat. Fog environment? Or is it something? Oh. Okay, now there's a skybox. I mean, it's nothing to write home about, but it exists. Okay, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna pick this up later. Save this all. File. Save this. Alright, that's it for me.